live. We are live from Masaka, Masaka district, Masaka town. People have gathered to wave at their president, His Excellency, the legitimate one, President Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. This is the love. This is the love. You can see the vendors. You can see the vendors waving at their president, the beloved president, the elected one, His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. Guno gwe bayita omukwano. Guno gwe bayita omukwano gwe muganda wange. President ayimiridde wano kunywa amafuta. Nkugambye tuva kuziika taata wa kyuma kya Yesu. We are from the burial of the father to Chuma Kya Yesu or Ntege Williams, his bodyguard Ntege Williams, who is currently in Canada for political asylum. Oh, but you can see the love here in Masaka. Yes, the president was so clear in his message today. He was so clear. He said no one should apologize to Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, and NUP is not going to meet Museveni to negotiate on anything. Yes, so gwe wenna ali wano. Gwe wenna ali wano ku page yaffe ya Sita Media Uganda. You can see the love. Osobola okulaba omukwano gwe. Osobola okulaba omukwano. President nkugambye ava kyotera kuziika taata wa mukwano gwe. Mukwano gwe oyo ng'abadde bodyguard we okumala ebbanga Ntege Williams, abangi gwe mmanyi nga Kyuma Kya Yesu, era ayimiriddeko wano e Masaka. Atulaba abantu bangi nnyo abazze okulaba nti bamuwubirako bamugamba nti president atununule sebo. So president His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu alias Bobi Wine, olunaku olwaleero ali Masaka. Yes, ababaddeko ku Sita Media Uganda, you have heard his message. You have heard well his message. He is not going to meet Museveni on any levels. Agambye nti abakulembeze abamu bajja kukozesebwa, abakulembeze abamu bajja kugulibwa, naye mubalabira ku bikolwa byabwe. Agambye NUP people power ategenda kusisinkana Museveni kwetonda olw'okuta abantu baabwe. Agambye era anti ebigambo ebimu bigamba omugezigezi omu yabyogera nti freedom cannot be voluntarily given. You should fight for it. Yes, you should fight for freedom. It should not just be voluntarily given. That is the message he has sent to the Ugandans here in Chotera district. I said, those who have just joined in, we are live with President Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, His Excellency. Yes, you can see how he's loved. They voted for him. The police has deployed, but other people are saying this is all about love. It's all about love. The legitimate president of Uganda, Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. You can see how people have gathered here to set an eye on him. Wow. This should be a message to all Ugandans out there and the international community who really Ugandans voted for. Just kilometers from here, Mbarara University, Science of Technology must. We won that election. President Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, the NUP leader, won that election in Mbarara, just here a few kilometers from Masaka, where we are right now. All that proves to you what we always say, that Bobi Wine, His Excellency Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert, he's the duly elected president of the Republic of Uganda. Yes. Yeah, man.
President Taata.
Masaka nga muina love. Masaka nga muina love. Yama muri bakabinyo mwebale. Naye abantu bagambe bebereremu. Bebagenda okwenunula bagambe. Yes. Naye mubadde ne father omulungi yani erinnya lye. Abo betulaba balina obunyama si batembeeyi tebabayita batembeeyi abo. Museveni yagamba batembeeyi abagoba lwaki Masaka bakyaliyo. Ekibuuzo ekisembayo pulezidenti leero mu kuziika ayogedde ku abannabyabufuzi abagamba nti you can see the love. We are live from Masaka district. You can see the love. They elected His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. Greetings to the Secretary General of National Unity Platform. That is David Lewis Lubongoya. Blessed love. Greetings to the leadership and the Secretariat of National Unity Platform. You can see how our president is loved. Wow, wow, wow. Yes, tufulumye Masaka mu maanyi. Tufulumye Masaka mu maanyi. Tufulumye Masaka mu maanyi, my brother. My brother, my sister.
Ojakuda kupinda omusesi.
Laba musiramu.
Musiramu afuse musiramu.
Kamwana yini. Bana tukwagala nnyo musiramu. Nazi yingira. Antu wano wazibu muganda wange batagala kutabajja tabato. Mujja ayingidde haji.